Okay, so I hit a wrong button and ended the video recording, so I'm going to have to splice these together. So trying to pick up where I left off. So looking at the x-intercepts, there are no common factors. So step 2 then is to find, for the x-intercepts is to look at the numerator, set the numerator equal to 0, and then solve for x. So this is going to be x plus 4 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. So x is equal to negative 4 and positive 2. So I actually have two x-intercepts. One is at negative 4, and the other is going to be at 2, 0. So here's one at 2, and here's the other one at negative 4. Okay, so now I need to solve for my y-intercepts. So my y-intercept is going to be a 0 and something. And I'm just going to solve this right here where I plug in 0. And everything's going to go to 0 except for the negative 8 and the negative 5. So that is going to be a positive 5/8, or 8/5 rather. Boy. 8/5, and so that'll be 1 and 3/5. So we'll just put 8/5 right there, and 0, 1, and 8/5. So it'll be right about there. So now the next thing I need to do is I need to determine my different areas. I need to find some points over here. So that will be less than 6 or 5. That is 5. So I'm going to say where x is less than negative 5, I need 2 points. So I'm going to do the point 6 and 8. So I'm going to let x equal negative 6 and negative 8. And we'll solve for our y. So f of negative 6, the function evaluated at negative 6, is going to give me negative 6 squared is 36. Plus 2 times negative 6 is going to give me negative 12 minus 8. Divide it by negative 6 squared is 36 minus 24 minus 5. And my brain is pretty tired, so I am going to punch this in my calculator. 36 minus 12 minus 8 gives me a numerator of 16. And then my denominator is going to be 36 minus 24 minus 5, which is 7. And then 16 divided by 7 is 2.2, 2.3. So this is, and that's positive. So 16 sevenths. So negative 6, and then a positive 2.2. So that is going to be right about here. Okay. And then the next thing I need to do is evaluate an 8. And that probably is going to be way down in here. But we'll go ahead and do the math to make sure. So f of negative 8. So negative 8 squared is going to be 64. And then negative 8 times 2 is a negative 16. Minus 8. Divide it by 64 again. And then 4 times 8 is 32, negative 32, because it's a negative 8 minus 5. And I'm going to throw that in my calculator and see what I get. Okay, so 64 minus 16 minus 8 is equal to 40. And then 64 minus 32 minus 5 is 27. And 40 divided by 27 is 1.48. 1.48. So this is going to be positive 1.48. So negative 8 and positive 1.48. Yep, it's even closer in here. So this shape is going to be like this. Not crossing over. I just kind of drew that the wrong way. And then I have 2 points over here. So we're going to see that this crosses over right there. So that is set. And then this one right here is going to go like this. And I'm not going to do that last calculation. I'll let you guys do that and verify that that information is correct. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you learned what you needed to learn. I will see you Thursday to answer questions and to go over homework and help you in any way that I can to master this information and this material. Have a good night, and I will see you Thursday.